Hey, good to see y'all again. It's Brian Jones here at Dinex again. We're going to cover a new product we have is our bent pipe. We have bent pipes that cover exhaust pipes, tail pipes, you name it. We have mufflers. A couple of good things that we specialize in is our insulation. We insulate things. We got several different types. We insulate things to prevent heat from getting to anything. We also perform our own end treatments. We make flares and collars that match up perfectly, prevents leaks on anything. We also have these accessories. We've got DPF injector gaskets that go along with our injectors. Also, for you F-250 Super Duties, we also have the DPF that goes in those things. So anything that you need, check out our website and get your orders in quick, because these things are going off the shelves very fast. See y'all next time.